Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to transfer from KuCoin to Binance. So if you want to learn how to send crypto from KuCoin to Binance, this is the video you're looking for. Without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you will need to do is to go over to KuCoin and log in. Once you're logged in, you need to go over to the top right and then go over to Assets. Here, you'll need to click on Main Account. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and over on this page you'll see all the coins you're holding. Right now I don't have any cryptocurrencies on KuCoin, but what you need to do then is to select the coin you want to transfer. So once you have found the coin you want to transfer, you need to go over to the right of the coin and click on the withdrawal button. You'll then be sent over to the withdrawal page of KuCoin, and here the first thing you'll need to fill in is the wallet address. So to find your wallet address, you need to go over to Binance and then go over to the top right. Here you'll need to click on wallet and then find and spot. Now over on this page you'll need to go ahead and click on the deposit button. You'll then see this screen, and here you need to go over to select coin and click on the select coin button. Now you'll see this pop up, and here you'll have to search for the coin you want to transfer. Always make sure to select the same coin on Binance as you have selected on KuCoin, because if you transfer your crypto to the address of another coin, you will lose all the funds you're transferring. So since I've got a 1 inch selected on KuCoin, I'll go ahead and go over to Binance and search for 1 inch and select it. Now that you have selected the coin you want to deposit, you'll now have to select the network you want to use. So to transfer from KuCoin to Binance, you'll have to select the Ethereum chain, also known as ERC20. You'll then get your address, and what you need to do then is copy your address. You can do this by clicking on this button saying click to copy, and as you can see right now my address has been copied. Here you will see the coin you can deposit to your address, in this case 1 inch, and you need to ensure that the network is ERC20. So we're gonna go back over to KuCoin, fill in the wallet address, and then select the network. As you can see, the only network I can choose is ERC20. Once you have filled in the wallet address and the network, you can now fill in the amount of coins you would like to transfer. Obviously, I don't have any funds available right now, but for this example, I'll just fill in 50. By the way, you can also click on max to select all of the available holdings. But I don't have any funds available, so I'll just fill in 50 again. And once you have filled in the wallet address, the network and the amount of coins you would like to transfer, you can click on confirm. Now, if you have any two-factor authentication enabled on KuCoin, you'll have to go through the security verification process, and that's quite simple. All you need to do is to fill in the two-factor authentication code. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.